Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a comforting winter dish, braised Napa cabbage with tofu and glass noodles. Golden tofu, tender cabbage, silky noodles soaking up all that flavor. It's warm, hearty, and perfect for a cold day. Let's prepare the ingredients. Take a block of salted tofu and cut it into thick slices. Slice the cabbage stems into thick strips. Then do the same with cabbage leaves. Keep the stems and leaves separate. Prepare the soaked glass noodles. They are ready when you can gently pinch them and they break easily. Prepare some dried chilies as well. Alright, let's start cooking. Heat some oil in the wok and sprinkle a pinch of salt. Place the tofu slices in the wok. Fry until golden on one side. Then flip, both sides nice and golden. Take them out and drain the oil. Add a little oil in the wok. Then toss in the dried chilies. Fry until fragrant. Add the cabbage stems. Stir fry on high heat until slightly soft. Add 2 tablespoons light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon 13 spice. Stir everything together until well combined. Next, add the cabbage leaves. Stir fry until everything is soft and wilted. Return the tofu to the wok. Add hot water until it's just flavored with ingredients. Season with 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon MSG. Give it a good mix and let it simmer uncovered for 3 to 5 minutes. Now add the glass noodles. Drizzle about half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce over them to give the noodles some color. Lower the heat and let everything simmer until the noodles are soft and the broth thickens. Wow, this is the kind of dish that just warms you up from the inside. Let me taste a bite. The noodles are perfect, hot and silky, soaking up all the flavor. The tofu is tender, bursting with broth, and the cabbage is sweet and soft. You really have to try this at home. It's comforting, hearty, and perfect for winter. Thanks for watching. See you next time.